Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge, Get Started in Social Media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 52 of our challenge, End Screens. In this challenge, you'll learn how to add suggested videos and a subscription button icon to the end of your videos. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing with technology for your business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. I'm going to come back to the screen we left off on yesterday. So you can see we are on the video elements section of our upload process. So what is an end screen? End screens allow you to promote up to 4 elements. They can point viewers to other videos or playlists or even channels on YouTube. They can call for subscriptions to your channel, and they can help promote your website or merchandise or even crowdfunding campaigns. So let's go ahead and hit add, and you can see some of the options that come up. So you can see this first element here says import from latest video. This one says 1 video, 1 subscribe. So there's a few different options in here. We can add an element, video, playlist, subscribe, or channel. So that's where I mentioned earlier you can link in another video, a playlist, a subscribe button, or actually link in another channel, whether it's yours if you have a secondary channel, or maybe you partner with somebody and you guys feed really well off of each other and you want to link their channel to yours. You can do that through here as well. So I like to use this one, where YouTube is automatically going to suggest the best video for the viewer to watch next. You can also add an additional element of a playlist, and it will open up all of the playlists you have if you have any. Or like I said, you can add a channel, and you can search for a channel to link to that video. This box over here is your subscribe button. So as your video winds down, the subscribe button will pop up here and anybody can click on it to then go ahead and subscribe to your channel. You can see just below here, this is our video feed across the bottom next to the video icon, and the music, this is any sound associated with the video. The top one are our elements. So you can see we have the subscribe element and the best viewer element. And those start at 5 minutes and 26 seconds into the video here and will run through the end of 5 minutes and 46 seconds. So you can see that those will be on the screen for 20 seconds. And if you want to limit that, you can just click and hold this bar and drag it where you want it to go. And that will change the time length that those elements are on your video. So once you're happy with your elements on your end screen, go ahead and hit save. And that's going to take us back to that video elements section of our upload feed. And the next option on here is what we're going to go over tomorrow. So I want you to tell me in the comments now what elements you decided to add to your end screen. Then come back tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Central Time to learn what cards are and how to add them to your video. I'll see you then.